So once you've connected your bookkeeping account and your sales channel, the last step is to complete the taxes wizard. So in this instance, we have an Etsy account which is connected to a QuickBooks account. However, the process is very similar for Xero. I will show you the differences along the way. So the first step applies to both Xero and QuickBooks, and that is to select an account for each of the different transaction categories that we have broken down all of the Etsy types of transactions into. So just to make things nice and easy, we've added these little tool tips so you can go through and check what each of these are. We also tell you what type of transaction category they are, and we provide you with a default set of accounts. Now, if you accept these, we will add them in your existing chart of accounts within Xero or QuickBooks, but you can also, from these drop-down menus, select any account you want from your existing chart of accounts. So I'm happy with the defaults. I'm going to say next. On the next step, you're going to select where you hold VAT registrations. So if you're a European or UK business, this step is quite important for you. If you're not and you don't hold any VAT registrations, you can just tick here and say my business is not VAT registered in this country. Otherwise, you can select where you hold VAT registrations. So for example, you may hold them in the UK, but you may also hold them in other countries as well. So I'm going to select in this example, UK and Germany, and then I'm going to click next. Then you're going to tell us whether you sell any zero rated or reduced rated products. So if, for example, I did, then I would click this section here. And what that would do is we would create 3 product groups, one for zero rated products, one for reduced rated products, and one for standard rated products. And it would be up to you after the wizard to tell us which of these products are in each group. So you would go through your list of products which we will pull in from Etsy, and you will tell us these ones are zero rated, these ones are reduced rated, these ones are standard rated, and then we would apply the correct tax rates from then onwards. Just to clarify, you will need to tell us that. We don't automatically detect this from Etsy. So if, for example, I didn't sell and I only sold standard rated goods, then I can click here. If you're not registered for VAT in any countries at all, then you won't see this step at all. Then this step is specific to QuickBooks account users only. So if you're using QuickBooks as your bookkeeping service, then you will need to tell us where Etsy deposits the money into your bank account and where Etsy charges your bank if you have any negative amounts. So in this example, I'm going to say that all of the money goes into my GBP bank account and all of the charges are also coming out of my GBP bank account. And click next. So then in the final step, you will be confirming your tax rates. So what we've done is up until this point, based on all of your answers, we provided a set of default tax rates for all the different types of categories that come up. But it is up to you to double check these with your accountant. Ultimately, you are responsible for making sure that they're correct for your business. So in this case, we have pre-Brexit sales, which are sales that occurred before the 1st of January 2021, and we have some different categories that you need to tell us the tax rates for that. Then we have post-Brexit sales, and again some suggested tax rates for that. And then the other section is for fees and other transactions, and again some default tax rates there as well. So once you've checked these with your accountant, you can tick this box and click confirm, and then you're done.